Hello everyone and welcome to 10 Open Secret About Grabbing Attention Online, Part 1. So I'm planning to make at least two-part series, but let's see if people are interested, we will add more to it. This particular video is talking about or reviewing about one of the designer's Instagram page and how he has made or he is promoting posts which are attention grabbing. So first let me share you the open secret, the 10 secrets that we have out in open. I made a note of it. I'll go one by one about the secrets. So offer new information, straddle with comments. Third one is ask a quality question, plot a chart, attack the problem, make it look happy and feel good, eyebrow raising quotes, paint a pretty picture of the future, create a mystery, and share a jaw-dropping statistics. I think few of them are pretty straightforward. Offer new information is pretty much giving a new information. Straddle here is like telling something that is uh, breaks a pattern or strikes or take your attention. Ask a quality question, straightforward. Attack the problem is kind of uh, talk about it or bring it as they say, talk about the elephant in the room. Eyebrow raising quotes are like the quotes that's pretty much grabs your attention and painting future, like talking something about the future, which ideal future that you want. It can be mostly used for a good product or the future of the product that you might like. The rest are pretty straightforward. So what we are going to do now is we are going to go through few of the posts by Christo. So he is a designer with, as you see, 7,250 followers. Okay, so I made a note of all those 10 points and I've scrolled few of the post back. Okay, now you can go to his account by going on this link or check for the Christo on Instagram. That works for you. So we'll go one by one. So to identify if it's a carousel, and if you have come to this video via my job post link, then it's good. The link, if you don't know what I'm talking about, the link is in the description. You can check what is a carousel and all. But we are going to only talk about the first thing. So know your worth. It's not a new information as such. It's not even a startling comment. It's not even ask a quality question. Okay, it's not a chart, not attacking any problem. So this is, I think, it's make it look feel good. So that somebody has created a elephant with money. So painting a pretty picture of the future is also applicable. There is no mystery. I don't see any mystery here. Let's go to this one. 4 tips on how to look at things differently. So here there is some information, new information, 4 tips. So so there is a number. It's not a statistic. The color is pop for sure. And how to look at things differently. So it's a quality question. So it qualifies for quality questions. And I don't see any mystery there. So quality question, and there's a pop color there. What's a design deck and how to build it? So plain simple text only. What's a design deck and how to build one? It is ask a quality question. 2 questions that has been asked. Nothing startling or mystery there. So here there is a mystery. There is a question: how to make your own luck. There's some kind of a mystery. How can you make luck? So that's pretty much also a new information as such. So that two of the things. So what you see is if you combine multiple of this option, then you can kind of make it attractive and grab more attention. But now you also have to make sure like you are not a designer, at least the people who are watching this video. So you have to be very careful not how what things you can add and what not, because some of this might have been created by some complex software, but you have to figure it out if you can do something. So one thing is, for example, this, I think in Canva, you should be able to make it. So you can try and see if you can make something like this. This, I'm not sure if it is possible or not. If there is a font with this style, then that would be interesting. So you could remove this I thing and still it looks, or you can even add it. It looks like a two pie chart or something like that. So a small dot also you can try. So you can be creative. Three ingredients, key ingredients for a successful business. No new information as such. Uh, it's with that image, it looks a bit pretty. The use of colors are nice, contrast color. This one coming in empty, the power of not knowing. Okay, this already created a mystery. And what do you mean by power of not knowing? So that's a bit startling in the part of commenting. And then, yes, I think those are the perks of having the most non-essential job during pandemic. So this was theme related. It is looking happy, looking feel good thing. How to create a strong identity systems. Okay, learn more. Uh, so yes, so definitely a good question, quality question. This one is what brand storytelling. A good question as well as visually very appealing. This kind of thing is pretty difficult for you to do, so you can avoid it. Okay. Now here it's a combination of writing tips from Lizzie, free 10-step writing school. Uh, this is plain information, but I think the way the graphic of it is feel good and nice. This is very interesting. There's a mystery. I'm even not sure. I'm not supposed to, like, I was just decided not to go, but it is so nicely done. I'm not sure how the image and everything. It's a very high quality thing. Keyboard shortcuts for hidden character. So that's what it is. So it was so mysterious that I clicked it. I was not supposed to click it, but it creates curiosity. What is this? What is going on? Here, how you can sell your product or service using Insta Story. Pretty good question. Quality question. Quality question is always like the standard. You have to start with asking a question, and that works. Pretty straightforward, simple. But making it look good, feel good is also adds it. Another one. What are the main element of design? Identity design. So how to create a carousel. Good one. Nice use of gradients. So this is a simpler way of making it more attractive. This is a more complex way. I'm sure they have used some kind of a tool, or this is an image and they stick an image with the background, and then somehow it works. It's so nicely done. Like I see the next pages are simple. So definitely could be an image. But as you see, while I'm explaining, the time I move ahead or I go ahead, it indicates it's very attractive, because my intention is not to read the content, is to explain or put put the open secret. And this open secret I've collected over the learnings that I have been having. So here again, nice text, a good image. Image has been added in the forefront, and then This one, it's pretty easy to make actually. And this is also, I think in Canva, you have something like this. You can put elements and stuff. So yeah, this is very nice, very professionally done. I've tried few things. It's not as good, but yeah, fonts are like friends. Oh, mystery already. Yeah, it's more like a quote. Eyebrow rising, curious. Definitely understand it's about fonts so nicely. A good smiley. Okay. This kind of work where big font and one image itself makes it looks a bit good. As anyone told you before, now this curiosity, mystery is created. It's a mystery. It's not curious. Like what's dot dot dot. And if you see one of the examples in my sample that I've created, I use this dot dot dot, and then it makes like there's something after this. Okay. Runner lose race on purpose. Ooh, this is eyebrow raising. Why would they do that? So even if question doesn't comes up, you should be creating that when the client says what. Very nice. If you see the theme here, very nice. Same pattern. I think same font also. It looks like thin, long. Sorry. Um, but you see there's a dark contrast used. You should, I mean, if you see the mini course, he speaks about using only minimum colors. Here, see discover and distill. So I'm not even speaking about all this because, like, same theme here. It looks good, creates mystery. What is discover and distill even mean? Color is pop. It grabs your attention. And when you are in doubt, like which color goes with what, you can come here. There are online tools where you can figure out the hex code for this. Check, take a print screen and check on Google how to convert image, how to find the hex code of an image. It's a very simple tool. You uploaded this whole image plots on it, and you can take your cursor and it shows each pixel's color. Sorry. Same theme going here, simple but still attractive. This one is a nice mix of all, as told by Zig Ziglar, how to train fleas, as told by. So here is a big name, so already kind of creating a mystery. What did Zig told about fleas? How to own the mind? Nice one image, and here also it's how to trick your perfectionism and make it disappear. So bold claim, uh, eye raising, not eye raising, but it's bold. It's attacking the problem. Like the first time, an example of attacking a problem, make your perfectionism disappear, improve your UX. So see, the question is something that this one is a good one. How many followers do you need? Should go and read the comment as well. This one is a nice one. Can people really love a brand? Okay, this is a nice. There is image of I think scribble blocks, and it's a question. So I'm not going through like in detail about one on one, but yeah, this is again a guide to parties for introverts. How to avoid being awkward. There's a question. It's a nice image. It feels good. Uh, and does it talk about anything? So no. And how to respond, how much for this. So there is attack on a problem in a way. There is a good quality question. So quality question is your friend and new information is your friend. Swipe to see a nice swipe action. Why would you just cut just from, okay, why should you cut just from your business vocabulary? Very good tip also. I make sure I don't use it as well. And it's nice. Why clients micromanage? 5 reasons why carousels brings more engagement. If you carousel side was a billboard, so everything is about carousel. Yeah, the whole core idea is from Chris Do. Yeah, I think out of it, apart from plot a chart in my list and jaw dropping statistics, there is rest all of them are being uh, done. Uh, so yeah, here future printing the future. Like your client don't just need a logo. So there is a mystery and a future. Like what else they would need? Never align text to center. This nice when you pay for a service. And this is a good looking how to steal any creator's followers, how to read. A simple question. Learn to stop the difference between prime mark and apostrophe. Sorry. It's a more design level question. How to finish what you start. The problem with design, new information, or attacking the problem with the word problem. The- This can be a template. You can use a lot of things as a template, like the problem with whatever your topic is. Like, for example, the problem with machine learning, the problem with AI, or something like that. If you can't ignore the trolls, here is how you respond. You are not what you make. Yeah, this one is very detailed. This one is also, these are all pretty looking. It's like, feel good, happy looking. It's not painting the future, painting. Are you being scammed? This attacking the problem as well. So yeah, there's question attacking the problem and pretty looking. So the more it you add, try to see if you can add 3 of them. Okay, it's difficult to do just with text, but to be or not to be. So there is a pretty looking, nice, like a good. It made me giggle. Like there is a intentional spelling mistake there, so there is a mystery. Not sure what the content will be about, but for anything, I'll just click and let's see what it is. A bumblebee is not supposed to fly. Its body too heavy, swing too light. Based on this, it should be impossible. But the bumblebee doesn't read; it flies. Jeep was the last successful American car company. Many entrepreneurs have since tried to. They said it could not be done. There is a place you will go and things you will see. The people you will meet if you will only just believe. So yeah, a motivational post, but very interesting. There's 15K like also. Never bend in line. You are your number one client. How to use IKEA effectively. This is how to use the IKEA effect. Okay, with clients and user. Very interesting. No victim. This is more like a help guide. It's been just one dot. Just be brave enough to start. It begins with just one dot. Okay, a bit more mystery because of the way it has been printed, but I think you get the idea. I'm not sure if we need part two, but do let me know. I think I have talked for most of it. The only thing I didn't got is a chart, which I would like to like. I think it it adds a bit of a mystery, or it kinds of attract people like to see charts. Here there is no example of it, um, but you can use it uh, if you want to. Let's see if I can find something as a chart. I think it's almost, yeah, there is. It's not a chart, it's a cycle, like sort of a Venn diagram kind of representation. How to 2x. Okay, that's not a carousel at all, that's a video, so it's not. This is nice. Cut the they have cut it. Okay, what's your worth? What you are charging. Now this is self-explanatory. 2 bar chart, same template can be used. So all my 10 points, I think I have displayed. Uh, so jaw-dropping statistics also, I think, fire your clients. This is eyebrow raising code. Okay, and so here is a jaw-dropping statistic. I lost $30,000. That was a powerful lesson. So he has not used it in Carousel, but that could be also in the main text, and there can be a carousel just after that. So I think it's completes all the 10 attention grabbing thing, and it can be created with simple image. And before I sign off, uh, use of graphics can be something like this, a small image. This, I think you can do this don't need, you can even do this, like the underline bit of underlining the main words using some uh, icons. There are elements in Canva. This, I think you can put drop an image. uh, I'm not sure if you can this is also possible, but yeah, could take maybe an half an hour to do this. Yeah, this one is very pretty simple, and there are many options. So what you do is you take free images on internet, upload it, and have a white background. And I think this one is an exact a template of multiple lines and text that you can add. This one you can do. This one also, I think you can do. You can put a text and then kind of put a solid thick square or line with the same color of background. This one also, I think you can make, put an image with a white background. If you have to get that kind of image, definitely. Otherwise, it's difficult. But you can always go from the simpler style. This definitely one image. This is also possible. This could be difficult. This one is also simple. Put an image with the background and put the one which overlaps. I'm not sure how you do that, because then has to fit the one which sits on the background. Definitely this is very, should be very simple, even if this image sticks inside. This one is also possible. This is definitely all possible. This one is super easy, icon, and but you get the idea. This one is easy, multiple lines. There's multiple font thing that is also possible. So yeah, he tries to like this one is very nice. Like good font, clear white background, white on black, black on white. Like pretty simple, straightforward. Like, so you see, like only two fonts, three fonts. Two fonts is the maximum that they recommend. I like the bigger fonts, and like I avoid the smaller one, but that also kind of increase in the way we are trying to do it is more of a quote, so we don't have much of a text there. But you get, this is also, you can do this, you can do this. You can try if you get this kind of images, but I think you get the idea. This is also, I think, possible. This is possible. This I'm not sure. Yeah, this definitely possible. This is possible. This one is twice. I think we saw something. The plain simple, hardcore, black on white, red on white. All those things is very much possible. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it was useful. And I don't think we need a part two. So all the best. Bye bye.